All right, hello everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. So this was brought up by one of the subscribers to check out a pachinko. If you don't know what a pachinko is, because gambling is illegal in Japan, they have like these places where it's kind of like a casino where you can kind of play games, like casino games, and you can win prizes that turn into like gifts like vacuum cleaners and stuff like that. So technically it's kind of like gambling, but you don't win money. I personally think that they should just have casinos here. I come from a country in America, they have casinos. I've been to a few casinos. I'm not really good at it, but one of the subscribers was talking about showing you guys around the pachinko. So I found the biggest one around my area. Not the biggest one, but they have these places everywhere. Anywhere you are in Japan, you'll find a pachinko, you know, 10 minutes away. So I found this one. This one's pretty big. I don't speak any Japanese. I don't know how to play pachinko, so this could be a complete failure. I'm only going to spend, I gave myself like maybe 1,000 yen, which is like 10 bucks. So I'm gonna try to play and figure it out myself. I'm not good at figuring out things by myself, but I'm good at copying others. So like if I watch somebody do it, I think I could figure it out. But I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna work out well. And I was kind of scared to even do this because I'm kind of scared to like just go about doing something new and I'm unfamiliar with. But I think I thought it would be an interesting video, so I'm gonna try it today. So we're gonna go in here. This is called the Super Cosmo Premium, and a lot of these bigger ones have like a restaurant inside, like a Coco Curry, and they have a huge parking lot in the back, and then they also have bike parking lot. So we're gonna go over there. I parked my bike here. They got a whole bunch of bikes here. They even have this Uber Eats. Hope it doesn't rain. They said it was gonna rain at 7. So I think they just recently opened this because they got like flowers and stuff in the front, and they even have a Lawson's here. Who knows, maybe I'll get addicted to this place. They even have like designated smoking areas. Alright, let's get in here. What to do right here. This place is crazy. It's so loud. Whoa. Here's the prize area. Let's see what you can get. See, they got like detergent, soap. You get like dolls and stuff. Got some Winnie the Pooh. So 640 yen. 4 yen is 160. 1 yen, 640? I have no idea. Some snacks. They got like a small area to rest, to take a break. There's people reading mangas in there. Alright, so I saw some people getting a card. I think you need to get some kind of card here. Alright, what do I do? Maybe I'll just put some money inside. Alright, so I stepped out for a second because it was just too much in there, like the noise and just the craziness. But so basically Let me put this down here. Alright, so basically I thought you can just put some money in it and then that's it, but I guess you have to sign up for this card. And so I had to like fill this paper out, but the guy was really nice and he did everything for me because I can't really write in Japanese. So he did everything for me and he wrote down the form. It's funny because usually in Japan, if you don't speak any Japanese, they won't help you at any place. They're just like, they'll just be like, no. But this is like the first time that I don't speak Japanese and then they actually help me out. Maybe because, you know, you're gonna spend money there. So he filled the form out for me, gave me the card, and then he taught me how to play one of the games. So it was a little bit overwhelming inside. It was a little crazy because it was like noisy, but I'm gonna go back in and try to play the game. And I was sweating because I was kind of nervous, and I get sweaty when I'm nervous. So let's go back inside and play some games. Alright guys, that was really confusing and interesting. I think this video was, I think the subscriber that suggested this video was supposed to be how to play Pachinko, but instead I was trying to figure it out myself, and it was kind of hard to do actually, but I was actually surprised how much that guy helped me. That guy really helped me a lot, and he was actually like watching me the whole time and making sure he was making sure that I was okay the whole time. And that's kind of odd in Japan, because every time when they can't help me, they usually just kind of turn me away. So this was the first time where they actually really helped me out. And basically you have to fill out this form, get the card, and then you play these games. But it seemed like all you do is kind of push this button and wait for the things to come out, like the pinball game machine. This is probably going to be a really short video, but yeah, just maybe instead of showing you guys how to do Pachinko, we kind of give you an insight of how to play inside. But you know, obviously I didn't play it right. But yeah, basically if you can't speak Japanese, you're probably going to get confused. I thought I was winning because the numbers on the side was going up, because you start out with 200 for 1,000, and I didn't want to bother that guy. So Maybe I should go back. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was interesting for you, and thank you for watching. Goodbye. Alright, so I just got home, but I just wanted to explain one more thing about this whole event. I thought it was pretty interesting, but I went back into the place because I was wondering, because so basically I put 1,000 yen, which is $10, and then it gives you 200 points or balls, and I won up to 400 something points, and I just kept on pushing the button. And so I guess with that 400 points I could have gotten like free soap or something like that, but I don't want to deal with it. And I think if you get more points you can get money back, I think. So it's kind of like a casino where you can win and then get money back. So I just wanted to explain that as I was writing, because I was thinking about that as I was writing back, and if anybody wanted to know, I just wanted to explain that. So yeah, that's it. So did I have fun? I was there for about 45 minutes playing. I wouldn't say it was fun, but it was really interesting. So that's it. See you guys later. Bye.